Do you know what my salary will be? I want to have a penthouse suite.
Mia, we are not authorized to negotiate anything. We are merely the company's attorneys.
Ms. Valentina and Amanda will talk to you about it. We just got you out of prison.
Do you think we can stop somewhere to buy me new clothes? I feel a little underdressed. I cannot go into a business meeting dressed like this. I also need a new iPhone 16 Pro Max. I got this cheap brand while I was in prison.
Mia, you don't need to worry about it. Ms. Valentina knows you just came out of prison.
Everything will be sorted out when you meet her.
Do you follow me on TikTok? I have almost 200,000 followers. Amanda, it's a pleasure to meet you. I'm a huge fan of your TikTok. You're such an inspiration. And thank you for getting me out of prison. I'm innocent and didn't do anything wrong.
Mia, thank you for that. Our agency is looking for a new TikTok influencer, and I believe you're the perfect fit.
This is amazing. My dream finally came true. There's just one problem, I don't have a place to stay. My family lives in South Carolina, and I was living with my ex-boyfriend, Thomas. Maybe I could stay with you.
You don't need to worry about that for now. If everything goes well, we will find a place for you. But first, you need to talk to Ms. Valentina. She is the CEO. She will have the final say. You can go to her office. She is expecting you. Good luck.
Thank you, Amanda.
Mia, welcome to Starlight Entertainment. I'm Valentina. Nice to meet you.
Ms. Valentina, what a pleasure to meet you. So, what's my salary going to be?
Before we get to that, we need to discuss a few things first. Our company is the biggest agency in the US. We have the best TikTokers in the country. We will assist you with your videos and provide all the support you need. Companies will also hire you for their marketing campaigns. In return, we will take a 25% commission. Are you okay with the terms? I have the contract right here on my desk, ready for you to sign.
That sounds good to me. I accept.
Mia, welcome to Starlight Entertainment.
Mr. Thomas, I will read the charges against you. You're being charged with money laundering, tax fraud, and tax evasion. These are serious criminal charges, Mr. Thomas. How do you plead?
Your Honor, may I approach the bench?
Yes, you may.
Your Honor, my client wants to plead guilty. Can you offer him a deal?
Well, he can pay what he owes and do 3 weeks of community service. That's the best I can offer him.
He will accept it.
Good. I will read his sentence aloud. Are we still going out for dinner tonight? We have a reservation at 8 o'clock.
Of course we are. Do you want to meet there? Or do you want to pick me up?
I will pick you up so we can go together.
Great.
Mr. Thomas, you are hereby sentenced to pay all outstanding taxes owed. In addition, you are ordered to do 3 weeks of community service. This court is now adjourned.
Susan, I didn't know your daughter was on TikTok. She's working for Starlight Entertainment. That's a huge accomplishment.
I don't think being a TikToker is a good job. I was hoping she could be something else. I saw her in jail today. Everything because of a rich man.
Well, it looks like she got out of prison. Starlight's attorneys represented her. You should be happy that she is not guilty. And she got hired by a company. I remember you wanted her to be a cleaner.
I just wanted her to take the right path. All she wanted was to find a rich man. I always had my daughter's best interests at heart. Looking for a rich man would get her in trouble, and that's what happened.
Well, it wasn't her fault. Her ex-boyfriend set her up. At least she is doing much better now, living the high life in Miami.
Mia, this is one of the company's apartment. You can stay here until you find a place for you. It's a one-bedroom apartment fully equipped. There is also a studio for recording videos.
This place is so nice. This view is amazing. What's the name of this area?
It's Brickwell. You're going to love it. Here is some money for you to get clothes, food, and other essentials. Go to the bank tomorrow and open an account. We will transfer your payments there. I guess there is some food in the fridge. Enjoy your night.
Thank you, Amanda. It's not a lot, I wanted a bit more. But it's enough to get me started. This couch is a bit hard. I might ask them to change it. Amanda was right. Brickwell is a nice area. I can't wait to go down and spend some money. But first, let's check the recording studio. This is incredible. It's every TikToker's dream. Hi everyone, it's Mia here. Thanks to all of you, I'm out of prison. I'm going to stay permanently in Miami. So, don't forget to follow me to see my daily life.
Mr. Thomas, It's good to have you back in the house. Why did the police helicopter bring you?
I got out of jail. My helicopter is under maintenance. The police were kind enough to bring me home.
Yuki was here. She is an FBI agent. She was looking for you.
Don't worry about Yuki. She is not coming back.
How about Mia? Where is she?
Mia is not coming back either. It's just the two of us. Give me something to eat. I'm starving.
Miss Hansley, I didn't expect to see you in my court today. That was a surprise.
You don't need to call me Miss Hansley. You can just call me by my first name.
Okay, Evelyn. So, are you still going to work for Thomas?
I will. Working for Mr. Thomas is like working for any other large corporation. And thanks for offering him a deal. It was nice of you.
The waiter is coming. Let's order.
What a long day at work.
Hi everyone. We've finally arrived in the Bahamas.
My ex-wife is a TikTok influencer.